Okay. Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here though, what is up? So as you can tell already, this is going to be another one of my Dollar Tree hauls. It's going to be another one of my videos where I kind of like just try to film it pretty quick so that I don't have to edit it at all. My madre is also here doing weird stuff, so if you hear stuff falling, it's probably her. But so this is stuff from a couple different Dollar Trees and from a few different days. And some of the stuff is actually things that my mom picked out and found. So I should start with whatever I found right here. I had to grab some more of my allergy pills. This is like the 7th time now that I've bought these because these actually work. So crazy. I was paying like $30 for like a month, probably, yeah. I'd say about $30 for like a month or 2 months. For my pills, usually from like Rite Aid, and I would try to buy them and get one free, and it's still, this is saving so much money. So I got a ton of these. These are the cetirizine, so basically compared to Zyrtec. So I literally got a ton of these. They have a few different like versions of this exact medicine, the cetirizine, but this box is the one that specifically has 14 tablets. I think the one that has the gel tablets only has 12, so it's 2 more per box. But I mean, I usually buy like boxes on boxes, so technically once you add them up, I've saved $1 by buying the larger box 14 set. So I literally stock up because for some reason these boxes with the 14 are a little bit harder for me to find in the area that we're in. So whenever I see them, I just grab them all. And because I have found though that with these allergy medicines from Dollar Tree, I have to take 2 a day versus only taking 1 a day if I take like brand name ones, but still saving so much money. So I also take these ones. So it is the same, you know, Assured Allergy. I love grabbing these though because they have 36 tablets per thing. 14 versus 36. So I usually like grab way more of the cetirizine. This one is the that one. It says compare it to Benadryl allergy, but I think it's technically like, same colorway basically, but so I think I only grabbed like 2 of these because you're getting 36 per thing, only $1. These work. I only take 2 a day, 1 in the morning, 1 before I go to bed, and I'm good. So like no more spending $1 million at Rite Aid. So I just like stock up. Kind of like that, I picked up some more of these mints because they are so good. Put my mom on them also because they are so good. And the like whatever macros, I hate saying macros, I don't know, I feel like I'm trying to be cool and I don't know what I'm talking about. But these are so good. Cinnamon, so I got 2 of these. I think my mom got 2. Those sometimes are a little bit harder to find also. I usually get them by the register if you care. And then some food. I guess that's kind of where we're staying, is food and body stuff. So my mom actually found these today. So it's pink salmon steaks, basically like salmon tuna, but the kicker is that these are wild caught. Wild caught, people, is the way to go. It's not gonna focus, I guess. Wild caught, not farm raised. This is it. She said she only found 2 cans, so she wants to go like to every Dollar Tree and try to find those because that's like a really good deal. Like those tuna cans or whatever at regular stores can be pretty pricey for like, why? Some more canned food that she just found without me. She picked up these Progresso light soups. This is the zesty, I'm trying to read it backwards, zesty Southwestern style vegetable. And it's the light version, but these are the big cans. This is the 1 pound can for $1. So I think she picked up like 6 or 8 of these specifically, like this flavor. So good. You guys know I'm on keto, so technically I'm not really supposed to be eating beans. I think this has beans. Yeah, it's got black beans in it, but it's only got 12 grams of carbs per 1 cup. Wait, why did they say 1 pound? Is this 1 pound of soup? It's a pound of soup? Oh my god. But per 1 cup, which is crazy because usually these soups are like pushing 30 carbs. So I will enjoy eating that. And then some more soup that she found is the healthy choice. This is the chicken with rice. I can't eat this one, but I wanted to share it with you guys because these are really good finds. Again, only $1 from Dollar Tree, and these are full-size cans. Like, are you kidding? Made with white meat chicken. Looks good. Wish I could eat it, but I cannot. I think the carbs are pretty high. Oh, 15 grams. Not actually too bad, but I can't eat that one. Some more snacks. My mom surprised me and grabbed a ton of pork rinds. Pork rinds are like the only snack now that I can actually eat doing keto. So whenever I find them, I'm like, get them all. So they have a ton of like this brand, I guess, that's popping out, and they have a few different flavors. I already put them into a different container. So she picked up this flavor, which is the sweet mild barbecue. And then they also have a spicy barbecue, and they also have, what's it called? What is it called? Salt and vinegar. So I gotta try the salt and vinegar ones again because I tried it like when I had just woken up, and so I couldn't really taste it. But for $1, these bags, we might have to go get boxes full because, like I said, it's like the only snack I can eat doing keto. And then I had seen people mention these before, and I like didn't really need to get it, but since I've been staying here at my mom's house, I forgot to bring conditioner. So I picked these up, just the conditioner. This is in the, what is this, Waterfall Mist. They smell so good. And so they have the matching, what's it called, shampoos with each scent. It smells so good. But I didn't need the shampoo because I accidentally brought a huge thing of shampoo here that I thought was conditioner. So I only needed conditioner. So I got that one. And then I also got the Sun Dipped, Sun Ripened Strawberry and just the conditioner. Again, it smells so good. And I couldn't remember if these were like the only scents of the Suave ones, but those were the only ones I saw. I was like trying to look through and that was the only ones that I could find. And then also in the section, I found the Arm & Hammer. Like, this is brand name stuff for only a freaking $1. So this is a really good value. It's a huge thing of it. It is 12 fluid ounces. This one is probably the best one. The best value only because it's dye-free, paraben-free, and vegan, so it's like a little bit more of like a healthier option. I don't want to go like this. Healthier option for you, but it's by the Arm & Hammer. Good brand. I only found one of these. This was the other day. And then when my mom went just now, she also found these. I think she picked up like a good handful of these, like 4 of these, for only $1. And so these are the Ultra Max with baking soda for advanced odor control. And this is the 3-in-1 formula. It's body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, but technically, I mean, you can use all of them for any of that. But they are the same scent. They're both the cool water scent. And it's getting a glare, but those are nice. So we got a ton of those. All right, so now a few things that's like decor and stuff, I think. Oh, I picked up some of these headbands. I saw these. They're cute. The texture, like the material, isn't as nice as they look. They look way nicer than what they feel. They're so cute on. I only found these 2 colors, so I got the like navy blue and also this really pretty green. Like put it on your hair like that, and I would put like just a little bit over it, but it looks stupid right now, so I'm not gonna keep it on. But so I picked those up because they're cute. They were $1. And then I don't see the other one. Oh, here it is. I had to pick up some more of this glue because you guys know I have fake nails on, and so these are just like so nice and thin to keep in your bag, and it's actually a really, really good glue. Like, I use this to do my nails like all the way, not only just to touch up in case I break a nail, but these are just great little sets for only $1. So you're getting 2 of these glues. You're getting this little, I don't know why you would need that really. This little thing is like, in case it kind of like seals over because of the glue, if it like glues itself shut, you can like poke it through and still use it. And I think this is just technically like another lid maybe. I don't know, but I have found that this glue is awesome too because it doesn't seal itself closed. A lot of glues, once you open them, it's kind of like they go bad. If you open it, they just go bad. It's like the most annoying, frustrating thing with nail glue. If you know, you know the situation, but these don't do that. Like, I can keep this and actually use it through. And so I keep one of these in my purse along with the little thing just in case it does kind of seal itself shut. So I got 3 more of these. I think every time I go, I'll probably grab 3 or 4 of those because I need to always have glue around, you know? And then, so I got a few things of Christmas decor, just like a few things. So I only found one of these. I don't know why. I stood there for literally like 20 minutes and I was just like, looking around from left to right because I could only find one of these little guys. These are cute. I feel like sometimes though for like stuff that literally looks exactly like this, you can find it at Michael's and it's slightly cheaper because of like their sale rotations. You can get it for like 80 cents. So sometimes I don't want to get too many of these things from Michael or from Dollar Tree, and because they usually look better from Michael's and then they're cheaper. So probably a good thing I only found one, but if I find these in different colors, I'll maybe pick up like 2 of each color and then call that it. And then I had to pick up these candy canes. I saw these before and I like talked myself out of getting them because I was like, why? But they're just so cute. They look really expensive. And so for only $1, you're getting 6 pieces in here. So I got 2 of each colorway. I want to decorate my leveled tiered trays now. It'd be cute. I think that's what I would do with these. Also, I have a bar cart, so I would put these in the cups. I don't think I would put these on my Christmas tree. I think I would sit them around my house, you know. Maybe put some in my plants because it'll be cute. So I got 2 of the red ones, and then I got 2 of the ones that have a little bit of the green. So I got 12, basically, of each, like, colorway. And lastly, if you guys know me at all, you know that I was going to have to get these. Literally, we walked into the store, and my mom walked past them first, and she was like, Anna, don't look down. And I was like, don't look down? Why? This is why. Because, of course, I would have to get these. They change. If I can get it to change. Oh, it's just silver on this side. The red side is cuter, but I'll probably get, like, 2 or 3 of each style of these because these are super cute. I love the sequins that change color. I don't know why. I know a lot of people hate it and think it's ugly and whatever. I'm obsessed with it. So this is only $1. It's just a really small plush like little pillow. It's literally like the size of my head. I think this is going to be cute to add with other bigger pillows also. And this is just like a little cute accent. So I only got 1 so far of this stocking. And then so far I only got 1 of the star. This changes to gold. But I picked up 2 of the Christmas trees. The Christmas trees change to gold. I just think it's cute. It's like versatile also for like your room. If you change the colors for your decor, it's like cute. This one's just, I guess I'll show you the back color of them. So there's the star. It's like silver gray. But so yeah, I think I'll maybe get like 3 of each shape. I think that was the only shapes they had there. They possibly had 1 other shape and I didn't want it. For some reason I feel like they had 4 different shapes, but that's what I got. I'm pretty sure that's all that I got from this round. We're probably gonna go in like a few days also to look for some more of like the body wash and the food, and I'm gonna be buying boxes probably of the pork rinds because I'm telling you, keto, this is like the snack. I mean, even if you're not doing keto though, this is a really good snack. I feel like people really sleep on pork rinds. It's like eating nothing, but you're getting the satisfaction of eating a chip. It's basically eating chips without any of the guilt at all. 80 calories per serving, which is about half an ounce. So calories can be high. I'm gonna go crazy, but and the sodium. But the sodium for me doing keto is like kind of okay. It's got 0 carbs, 0 sugar. Like, are you kidding? Like, this is it. So, yeah. That is it, though, from this haul. I don't want to keep you guys too long. I want this video to not be too long again so that I don't have to edit it. So, let me know if you guys have seen any of this stuff or picked any of it up from your Dollar Tree. Let me know also if there's, like, anything you guys think that I might like that I should be on the hunt for so I can try to look for it. Especially, like, you know, the brand name finds, like, the hair stuff. You know? I know there's, like, nice nail polish. And let me know if you guys find any nice, like, ornaments, too. Because I kind of glance at them, but sometimes I'm like, no. But, yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And muchísimas gracias for watching este video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.